Hello, YouTube. This is Kindness in Action. I just want to do a real clip. I was in tears, just so excited and elated about this group called the Walsh Family that has made it so big and has absolutely gone far than I think they could imagine or anybody could imagine. I'm so proud of them, and I'm just going to do a little bit of the song that's like, it seems like it's a big hit now. Well, I love it anyway. Called Perfect People. The song is not for you. If you have cried a river and had your heart broken in two, the song is not for you. If every day you wake up the skies are blue, but it's for anybody that no matter how hard you pray, your pain won't let you break through. And if you a miracle today, and God has always made a way. If you have food to eat, a place to sleep, then you really can't complain. This song is for you. Do 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 do. This song is for do 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 do. This song is not for you. If you are judging others and you are making the same mistake, this song is not for you. If you think your name is Jesus and you forget to fall on your knees and pray. But this is for anybody who needs a little mercy just to make it through the day. And if you're a miracle today, and God has always made a way, if you have food to eat, a place to sleep, and you really can't complain, this song is for you. Do 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 do. This song is for do 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 do.